Hello everyone, this is Steve. I just want to take a brief moment to show you how to text customers through the GoTo app, and in a later video I'll show you how to text customers through the GoTo desktop version. As we've mentioned before, we're only to contact customers through the GoTo phone, which is sitting on your desk, or the GoTo app on your mobile device, or the GoTo desktop, which is on your desktop computer. What's important to note is that before you text a customer, you want to make sure the customer is in the CRM. If you text a customer before you put him in the CRM, the system does not know where to apply the text, so it'll just go into nowhere. So if you take an up, make sure it's in the CRM before you start texting. So how you text via the app. As you can see, I'm logged into the app here. On the very bottom, you see phone, messages, meetings, and contacts. I'm going to select messages, which is the second icon. I'm going to click on the plus sign, which is the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to select send text messages, and you're going to put the phone number in. If the phone number is not in your directory, you have to select the number which is below where it says you can add up to 10 more people. You select it, and then you can start putting the message in the message box. I'm going to start over because I'm going to show you how to text. So you apply the phone number, and as you can see, as I type in a number, if it's in the directory, you can just simply select that number or that contact. After the contact is where in the box where it says to, you're going to start texting the message. Test text, I'm going to hit send. As you see in a second, in the upper right-hand part of my phone, you're going to see where it came to me. This is my mobile phone. It says test text, so it came to me. Now, if I was a customer, this would be applied to the work notes under other notes. So instead of it being applied to Socket Talk, it'll be in the work notes in your CRM. That's why it's important to make sure that the customer is in the CRM before you're texting, because otherwise, once again, the system doesn't know where to go. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.